Hi friends, today I am going to prepare Vallarai Dosai. So Vallarai English-A என்ன சொல்கிறாங்கன்னா சென்ட்ரலா ஏசியாட்டிக்கா or gotu kola அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. நம்ம வல்லாரை leaf எடுத்துட்டு we are going to prepare dosa today. So add dosa batter plus Vallarai leaves in a mixie jar and grind it well. So Vallarai is very good for heart brain. So I have ground the batter and add it to the dosa batter. So mix it well, add to a dosa tawa and you can spread it as dosa. You can hear the sound of the dosa. So this is very good for brain, memory, and it is also good for stomach ulcers. It is also good for nervous system. So this is a very nutritious food, very good for children. So you can give this for children. This is a very healthy dosa. I have kept it with pudina chutney. So eat and enjoy.